Welcome to my workshop. I grew this workshop from the husk of an empty garage into the wonderful thing you see before you today. And I use the word grew in a very literal sense. When I first used this as a place to make things decades ago now, all I had at this end here was an old door nailed to a few bits of wood and attached to the wall as a cheap work surface. Workshops evolve and are never a finished thing. If you take that into account, the growing pains will be easier. This used to be my office games VR room right up until the space lurgy struck in March of 2020. I started making a few things from wood to pass the time. To help with this, I started collecting tools along the way. After making this workbench, I built a bar top arcade for my great nephews and niece, which turned out far better than I imagined. That's hand-painted artwork on the side. After building another bar top for my neighbour, and then a pinball table for myself, and having discovered and watched many a Trash to Treasure, I wanted to have a crack at this repairing electronics lark myself. So I built another workbench over here and started putting together, bit by bit, the tools and knowledge I would need. I couldn't be without this workshop. Through some tough times, this place has kept me just this side of sane. I truly treasure it. Sane? Really? That's a stretch.